Every flower bloom in its own time. Hello mga Mars! Welcome back again sa ating garden. And for this video, we are going to feature another beautiful succulent known as Echeveria elegans. Echeveria plants are known for their compact, rose-shaped rosettes of succulent leaves. Echeveria elegans specifically has a striking rounded leaves and can develop red or pink edges with proper sun exposure. These are drought-tolerant succulents that prefer dry conditions. Echeverias thrive in warm, dry climates and require ample sunlight to maintain their compact shape and vibrant colors. This can be propagated from offsets or from leaf cuttings.